Hey everyone, on this video we're going to cover how to update your profile settings inside of Procore, how to configure them so that you can see things like a photo there, get rid of the sent by Procore, just do a quick setup. I recommend people do this when they first get into Procore, or if you're working with another organization you got to set it up there as well. So let's go ahead and jump in and see what we got. So if you're in the Procore portfolio, you want to double check that you're at the company level. So this black background should be black. By the way, if you haven't tried the new Portfolio Home or Project Home, Procore Home, check that out. Really nice way to look at it. So what you want to do is go up to your top right and select your initials here. And then we're going to go to My Profile Settings. Under My Profile Settings, I like to just update this, make sure your email address is correct, and then we're going to go upload an avatar. Gravatar, I have no idea what that is. Drag and drop that image of yourself in there. You got to select that crop region. And then that should go ahead and update that. Crop and save. Give it a second. And then we want to go ahead and update this sent with Procore. I just like to say my name there. Sometimes I put my phone number there, but yeah, at least putting that Ralph Kreider there. And then go ahead and select update. Let's see. Yep, there it did. It updated that. At the top right, you see your profile picture. That's good. Now let's go through a couple more of these things here. So at the top, you got login, my connected apps, password, favorites, notifications. So login, if you need to update your password or anything like that, change your login. If you moved companies and you want to keep your Procore login, that's one thing. Or sometimes a client will put your email address in there and it's wrong. The one challenge is if it's wrong and you already have a Procore account, you cannot merge those accounts. So you got to just be like, hey, deactivate this one account, update it here. But if you put in your password there, it update, that's good. My connected apps, nothing you really need to do with these. You can revoke access to your email address for a lot of those. Password, change your password here. That's where you reset that. Favorites is an important one. I like to go ahead and go through that and check the tools off on the right hand side that you typically use. If you use them quite a bit, you can drag and drop and put it at the top. And then this will update when you go inside of a project. It will update these favorites here at the top. So that's really what that does for you. Then you got notifications. Wish Procore had more notification settings. They don't. So the only notification settings they got right now are for your conversations here. So turn that on. You can make it just for custom, like, hey, when I'm at mentioned in a group or conversation. So I don't know a whole lot of companies that are extensively using conversations. I wish more people were. Let's get away from text messaging and things like that. Use the Procore app and keep all that information centralized. But there we go. If I click show an example, there's my example notification. So with that, highlights here, get in here, update this signature. Everyone can tell definitely that it's from Procore, and put that avatar. Learn someone's face. This is how I learn who people are, by having that little avatar. Like, not knowing what your profile picture is makes it a lot harder to put a name to a face. With that, that's all I got. Have a wonderful day, and as always, reach out if you need anything else.